Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Honda Odyssey EXL, stock number Z8009A. 96,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, smoky topaz metallic in color. The Odyssey is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Odyssey seats 8, leather interior. Seat slides forward, making it easy to get to the third row. That also seats 3. Windows do go down in the sliding doors. Backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. This EXL has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, moonroof, large, easy to read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, cruise control, large display for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Lots of storage space. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. And power. Under the hood, this Odyssey is a 3.5 liter V6, 248 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Odyssey, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.